Alrighty, you guys, so I actually have a final today and I want to look at apartments, and I'm gonna be looking at apartments with Desi, maybe Cole, and BabyFaceJase. We're all gonna be looking at apartments. I left my house a little early, so I was like, might as well get to Queer Day Soul. So that's where I'm at right now, and I need to get out right now so that I can actually get it because it closes at 2 and it's like 1:30 something right now. So I'm gonna have to get out now to get the food now. Ooh, man, there's no parking over here. And like, I literally had to park all the way in the back. I'm kind of peed, like a little teed off of that, but look, we're on our way. Alright, you guys, so I'm here. I got my Sprite. But look, this is the menu. Guys, look, I got my food. This looks nasty, but it's amazing, I promise you. I guess I need to start eating. Vloggy. So I'm at the campus. I need to go in soon, but I'm still early, so I don't have to go in right now. I got like 15 minutes till I gotta get in there for real. Hey Trey, I miss you, boo. I miss you so much. I miss my man Trey. I literally was thinking about him the other day. I was like, damn. I miss my coworker. I said I miss Trey. And I miss Sydney. I said that. That's crazy. But yeah, I miss my coworkers at Psycho Bar Tier. I might need to go back and work there. Miss you too, thug. He said, I'm all live. That's why. Hey, you guys, so I just got finished with my final, and now I'm on my way to meet up with the squad, the Mafia. But before I go there, I'm going to get some hot chocolate or some coffee. I haven't decided at Dunkin' Donuts because I love Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Shout out to you for putting me on. I be subtweeting, sending out subliminal messages in my videos like what? If you wanna, and the thing is, I like to be sneaky. I like to like have codes. Like, is it? I don't want to say I like to play games, but like, I do. I'm a tease, you know. I'm a flirt. I'm gonna just say it. You know, girl was voted biggest flirt. Not gonna cap. I was. That's really funny. When they asked me about it, it's like, well, you won 3, so you gotta, you know, pick. And I was like, well, I definitely don't want to be voted biggest flirt, but I definitely was. That's so funny. So, you guys, I drove to, you know, meet up with my friends, and the guess who's the first person to show up? BabyFaceJase, and he finna come in my car because he's coming with me. You don't hurry up. Like, what is you doing? What is you doing? Why is he taking so long? You don't.
What's going on?
What it do?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? Why it take you so long? You was sitting in that car for a hot second.
It's traffic.
Yo, so this ugly ass little dude right here.
Yeah. That's him, alright.
Yeah, he just pranked me, you guys. So go watch it on his channel. It was pretty hilarious. Comment down below if you guys watched it. Tell me what you think. Yeah, we still waiting on Destiny to come.
Really?
Yeah, because I need to go see my new apartment.
You gonna get that one for sure?
If it looks as good as it looked on the what's it called? On the website, then I'ma definitely get it. I'ma definitely get it.
Is it expensive?
Is that Destiny? That is Des. The good Des. The good Des. The good Des. So basically, we didn't end up going to look at any apartments yesterday because of. You gotta talk loud, good man. So we're gonna pick it up from today. So here is 5 hours before today, right now. Okay. Yo, look who I'm with. The ugly ass little dude.
There she go.
The ugly ass little dude.
You look nice today.
Oh, thank you.
Right, see how nice I am and how mean she is? Right. Let's flip the script now, and that way y'all can. Right now.
Alright. So we're here at Georgia State, finna go look at apartments like we were supposed to do yesterday.
Yeah.
But what happened?
Destiny came too late and ruined our plans.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you watching this, Destiny? No, I just.
What's this man doing?
Good balloon. That's a girl, first of all.
What? Oh, my bad.
I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. 2019. Hey.
But Destiny just got off of work. We're about to look at apartments. The first apartment is really right there. Can I park here?
No.
I can park over there.
Yeah.
Hold on, we can park over there, but I'm not paying. Oh, yeah. Hit a bitch. Ah!
Oh, God.
I thought
Bro,
I was
when
gonna
I
get
tell
tired, but
y'all,
I didn't.
Destiny and Asha
Bro,
cannot
did
drive, bro.
What are you,
I
bro?
get anxiety, bro. They be, bro, y'all can't have breaks at
First
this
of
point,
all,
bro.
first of all, did I hit anything? Every time I've done a drive thing, we was good? So let's not.
We almost
then I
ran
back
into
out.
the back of somebody twice, bro. You gonna did we not almost run into somebody?
I knew exactly what I was doing.
Did we not almost run into somebody?
No, because I knew exactly what I was doing.
I don't
We
know
was
how
not
you got
gonna
a
hit
cap
him.
on with that puff on your head, but you do somehow. But I be getting anxiety, bro, because they be swerving, they be slamming on their brakes, bro. It's ridiculous. I'm a safe driver, bro. I drive like I got kids in the back, for real. They drive like they got
You know what? My best friend, he taught me how to drive after riding around with him in
Is he
Atlanta. I
alive?
was like, oh, that's how I need to drive.
Is he alive?
Yeah.
All right,
I
bro.
was like, oh, he was like, Asha, you don't drive well. And I was like, we supposed to drive?
You still don't.
And like literally he showed me. He was just zoom. I used to drive like you.
That's
and then
driving well.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Like he was just in
What
that
does that
bit.
mean?
He was
You
just,
used to drive safe, but now you just don't give a fuck about your life?
yeah.
But
I was like,
don't know, bro. But yeah, we at the good Georgia State with it.
you know what I just had? Okay.
Wait, what?
But where is that? Did you call her?
Oh no.
Sydney, where you at? Sydney, where you at? I hope you was off of work. Cause where you at? Oh,
You have a great voice.
Thank you. Where did you go? What were you just doing? You were just
Taking my
chilling?
final, and then I was in the library editing.
Oh, did you finish the video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I just have
good.
to upload it.
Oh. Could you have done it in the library?
Yeah.
Upload it? Did I take you away from it?
I mean, yeah, I can do it later though.
Yeah.
I was like,
There you
y'all
go. Wish poppin'. Wish poppin'. We got Desi Des in the core. Now we finna go to the first place. Yay! Finally! Yeah!
Yes, sir. This gym is nice. And it's nice over there too. It got a pool over there. It's quiet. I like how quiet it's looking at. This is the first floor room. This is the smaller one, she said. And it looks so dope. This is why I wanted to move here, just because of the walls and the windows. The windows are everything. So this one is the only one that has the windows in the bedroom and in the living room. Oh, so some of them are just in the living room? Dang. All right. Interesting.
Yeah, but they're all.
Do they all come with washer and dryers?
So this one's the only one with the stackable, and then the other ones have the full size.
Okay.
It will probably be, honestly, like on the day, the prices change daily. So this one's usually the least expensive. This one's the A2.
Yo.
The A5 that we'll go see.
This closet isn't that big. I'm scared.
So
But like, I'll pay for this view. I'll pay for this view though. Sheesh. I really like this one because it has both the windows in the bedroom. That's fine. That's different. I didn't even look up. This is really nice. And I like the
they'll all
appliance.
come with the same finishes, so the stainless steel, and then the wine or the beverage cooler.
They all come with this?
Mm-hmm. And then they all have Apple Play speakers already installed in them.
Oh wow. I didn't read none of that.
Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, we can look at the other one. The neighbor.
Like we have each of the floor plans on all sides of the building.
Oh, really?
So yeah, it's not just this location that you can have
A view of?
this floor plan. Yeah, you can have it looking out like towards Midtown.
Oh my gosh, the counter is so pretty. It sparkles. Okay. Do you see that? What? Yeah, this might be my place because I like to sparkle.
You like this better than the other one?
The other one had this counters too, right? We just didn't notice.
It just had, it has stuff on it, so.
Oh, this bathroom's this is a whole bathroom. Damn. I like this one because it has a separate shower. No, yeah. This is the bedroom? I see. The bedroom do make me feel sad.
Is your bed fitting here?
Yes.
Like the last apartment.
But we did make that one work. So we can always make something shake. But I might be sleeping in the living room. Cause I want to have the mirror. I need it.
I want to sleep nicer. It's smaller, but
I don't know. Yeah, I like. Yeah.
windows make it feel bigger. And the fact that it's wider makes it feel a lot bigger too.
Yeah, this one is definitely big. I'm not saying it's not big.
So it feels bigger because it's wider as opposed to like it being longer.
I really like these apartments though. This is really dope. Yeah, this is a yeah. First place was definitely the one that I want to go to. I want to have both windows in my bedroom and in the living room just so I can feel really good. And if I'm going to pay for something like that, I definitely want to have windows in my room. I just can't have a dark room. The other one was really nice. It was cool, but definitely the double windows is the one that I want to go for. I'm very interested in that apartment. That was my #1 choice to go to because that's the one I've really been thinking about because of like by location, price, and the way it looks. Right. It feels great in here, right?
Yeah. Dude, yeah.
So I'm interested in moving in March, so you guys just be praying for me and watching my videos so your girl can move in March, period. You know, this is the first of many vlogs of going to different places and looking for the one. So you guys comment down below which one, how you think this one looked and what you thought about it. I definitely want you guys' opinion because you guys are basically like my farm boy and whatever.
Good one.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, you didn't stay here?
Where are we going? That's
You'll be real close to my house. We just walked on the side. I mean, y'all don't want to. I said
Look at this. This is the new place we just went to. It doesn't have like the ambiance that we like, but they have the prices and the look that we like, the upstairs, downstairs, which I just showed you guys. This is the 2-bedroom. They couldn't show us the 1-bedroom because they didn't have any available. But yeah.
straight.
Jace like it. Jace like it here. He like it here, yeah. He keep on saying it's straight. What? He said jump on the bed. This is nice. This is really nice. In the 1-bedroom, they kind of look similar. Like, you know, not the layout, of course, but like, you know.
It's a little different because our 1-bedroom is a 1-bedroom loft, so you don't have bedroom doors.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so you have like this here.
Mm-hmm.
Just go up to the ceiling, be open. Have a partition wall here. This
What? That sounds very nice.
Down right here, you have another entrance or exit.
Did you hear that? Yeah. Yeah. I might have to be over here. Who want to move out with me?
So this one's gonna be on the higher end.
It's very spacious. That's why I was like, this one, like, I can live with somebody. This is like, you got room. I might have to have a roommate with this big one. Yeah, can't I? Not. Tried that, didn't we? This is the biggest. Wow. So this room has like a way to get outside.
Yeah, so on this one, the master has a
Oh, so that's the master. All right, this is cool. Thank you. Yeah, I guess so.
Are you gonna shut the lights off?
Look at them, be nice.
You need to be.
Me? I need to be nice? I'm not nice?
I mean, help it. Cut the lights off. Tell her, cut these lights off, girl.
We can't even see you no more. We can't even see you no more.
Okay, now you can. Key.
So that's the end of our apartment tours today. We just looked at 2 apartments. The second apartment we couldn't look at a lot of the space because they just didn't have any available to look at. But they did look good, and I did like the location, so it is still in the top of my brain. The first place was hot, man. But it is, we still have to remember it is because they have furniture. But I don't care, it looked great, furniture and all. Like the 2 windows by side, back to back, bedroom and living room, you can't beat it. So yeah, I'm definitely interested, and the pricing was great. We're just here at Starbucks, I guess, editing our videos, being good YouTubers.
It's hard.
What's hard?
This guard is dope. The white on white.
Oh,
Bro,
that is mine. Where they at? Oh yeah. I'm gonna cop to have some good music, some jazz while we doing our editing. It's gonna be a mood. We got our friends gonna give us creative vibes while we're editing. This is gonna have to be a vibe. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. Don't forget to follow my friends, Jace and Desi Des. And we will see you in our next vlog.